Rolls-Royce made history by securing an unprecedented $11 billion contract with the UK Ministry of Defence. This deal marks a new era in the design, production and lifecycle management of nuclear reactors for the Royal Navy's submarine fleet. Known as the Unity contract, this groundbreaking agreement spans 8 years and is set to advance the UK's nuclear capabilities for decades to come. The Unity contract integrates all aspects of nuclear propulsion, from research and development to operational support. It plays a pivotal role in sustaining the UK's continuous at-sea deterrent, supporting current submarine fleets and driving future projects like the Dreadnought-class and the SSN-AUKUS attack submarines. At the heart of this contract lies Rolls-Royce's Advanced Technology Reactor Series, the backbone of the Royal Navy's nuclear-powered submarines. These reactors offer unmatched endurance, thermal efficiency, and safety, allowing submarines to operate silently for long periods without refueling. The Unity contract will further refine this technology to ensure that next-generation Dreadnought-class submarines maintain optimal stealth and performance. The agreement also sets the stage for the SSN-AUKUS program, a trilateral partnership between the UK, the United States, and Australia. This program will feature even more advanced propulsion systems, incorporating innovations in safety, heat exchange efficiency, and modular construction, ensuring faster production and enhanced submarine capabilities. Through Unity, Rolls-Royce and the Ministry of Defence are simplifying and unifying their approach to nuclear propulsion. By consolidating reactor maintenance, upgrades, and new development into a single operational framework, they will reduce complexity and increase technical consistency across the Royal Navy's fleet. This approach ensures that all submarines, from the Astute class to the future Dreadnought and SSN-AUKUS, benefit from the latest advancements in materials science and reactor safety. The Unity contract also emphasizes resilience and reliability, with advanced diagnostic systems enabling real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. This will reduce downtime and ensure the Royal Navy submarines are always ready for action, whether on current platforms or future designs. Rolls-Royce's role in the Unity contract ensures the UK remains at the forefront of global submarine technology. The Dreadnought-class and SSN-AUKUS submarines will set the standard for the future of naval defence, solidifying the UK's position as a leader in military innovation. This monumental partnership between Rolls-Royce and the UK Ministry of Defence is not just about supporting the Royal Navy today, it's about shaping the future of global defence for generations to come.